Hello, everyone. How have you been?
Hello, friends. Welcome back to NB English Learning.
Today, we are back with another exciting English speaking lesson.
Yes, this is class 2 of our 30 Days English Speaking Challenge.
In the last class, we learned some useful daily life sentences.
And today, we will learn how to ask questions in English in real-life situations.
Many students feel nervous when asking questions in English.
They think, what if my English is wrong?
But today, we will remove that fear.
Yes, by the end of this class, asking questions in English will become much easier.
Real-life situation. Meeting a stranger.
Yes, imagine that two people meet for the first time.
They are strangers.
So, Noor, how should the conversation start?
The conversation can start with a simple greeting.
Like hello or hi.
Yes, for example, hello.
And the other person replies, hello.
Then the next question can be, how have you been?
Or you can say, how are you doing?
Both are very natural English questions.
Answering the question. Now, Noor, what should be the reply?
The reply can be simple. I'm doing fine.
And then you can ask back, how about you?
Exactly. For example, I'm doing fine. How about you?
Then the other person can reply, I'm also doing fine.
Another useful question is, what are you up to?
This question means, what are you doing these days?
It is very common in casual conversations.
Situation at a restaurant.
Now, let's imagine another situation.
Yes, imagine we are at a restaurant.
A waiter comes to take the order.
The waiter may say, good evening.
Or the waiter can ask, would you like some help?
Now the customer needs to order food.
And the best sentence is, can I have?
For example, can I have a burger?
Or, can I have a cup of tea?
You can use this sentence for many things. For example, can I have some coffee? Can I have some ice cream?
Asking the price.
Now imagine you want to know the price.
Then you can ask, how much does it cost?
Or simply, how much?
Both are correct. Asking for a discount.
Sometimes people want a discount.
Yes, especially while shopping.
In that case, you can ask, is there any discount?
This is a very useful sentence in markets.
Coffee shop situation.
Now imagine we are in a coffee shop.
You want to order coffee.
You can say, can I have some coffee?
And if you are at an ice cream shop, you can say, can I have a vanilla ice cream?
Or, can I have a chocolate cone? Responding to compliments.
Now imagine someone gives you a compliment.
For example, you are speaking very good English.
Then you should reply politely.
You can say, thank you, it's my pleasure.
Or you can say, that's very kind of you.
Responding to bad news.
Now imagine someone tells you bad news.
For example, someone is sick or something bad happened.
Then you should say, I'm so sorry to hear that.
This sentence shows sympathy and kindness. Offering something.
Now let's talk about offering something.
If you want to offer tea or coffee, you can say, would you like some tea?
Or, would you like some coffee?
Another sentence is, can I offer you a drink?
Or, do you want some coffee?
Powerful speaking phrases.
Now, Noor, let's learn some powerful speaking phrases.
Yes, these phrases make your English sound more natural.
The first phrase is, I think.
Example, I think this movie is very interesting.
Another phrase is, I don't think.
Example, I don't think he is angry.
Another phrase is, you know what?
Example, you know what? This place is amazing.
Another useful phrase is, let me tell you.
Example, let me tell you, this restaurant is very famous.
One more phrase is, honestly speaking.
Example, honestly speaking, English is not difficult.
Practice advice. Friends, learning English is not difficult.
But you must practice every day.
Speak English for at least 1 hour daily.
Repeat the sentences again and again.
Soon, you will notice a big improvement.
Ending.
So friends, this was class 2 of our 30 Days English Speaking Challenge.
Practice these sentences daily.
And don't forget to watch class 1 if you missed it.
Tomorrow, we will come back with class 3.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NB English Learning.
See you in the next class.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.